Let's have a discussion on Coulomb's law. This fundamental law of electrical science is also referred as inverse square law. According to this law, if two charged bodies are kept at a certain distance, they will experience an attractive or repulsive force depending upon the nature of their charges. If the bodies are charged by similar electrical charge, they will repel each other. If the bodies are charged by opposite electrical charge, they will attract each other. Suppose one body is positively charged with plus Q1 and the other body is negatively charged with minus Q2. The force acting between them is attractive. Again, one body is positively charged with plus Q1 and other body is positively charged with plus Q2. The force acting between them is repulsive. Again, one body is negatively charged with minus Q1 and other body is negatively charged with minus Q2. The force acting between them is again repulsive. The force is a vector quantity, which means it has direction in addition to its magnitude. Here the force acts along the straight line joining the centers of the charged bodies. Now, if you increase the charge Q1 keeping Q2 unchanged, the force is obviously increased. If you decrease the charge Q1 keeping Q2 unchanged, the force is obviously decreased. Similarly, if you increase the charge Q2 keeping Q1 unchanged, the force between them is again increased. If you decrease the charge Q2 keeping Q1 unchanged, the force is obviously decreased. According to Coulomb's law, force F between them is directly proportional to either Q1 or Q2, or in other words, F is proportional to the product of Q1 and Q2. Now, by keeping their charge fixed at Q1 and Q2, if we bring the charged bodies nearer to each other, the force between them increases. And if we take them away from each other, the force between them decreases. If the distance between their centers is r, it can be proved that force acting on them is inversely proportional to r square. It is also obvious that this force is not same for every medium. For example, if the bodies are kept in air, the force is different from the force while they are kept in water. Variation of force according to the medium is determined by a constant. Say this is K. Finally, we can say that force F equals Q1 into Q2 divided by K into R square. This is nothing but the expression of Coulomb's law. In SI system, force is measured in Newton, distance is measured in meter, charge is measured in Coulomb, and K equals 4 pi epsilon 0 epsilon r. The force acting between the charge is expressed as F equal to Q1 into Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 epsilon r into r square, where epsilon 0 is the permittivity of air or vacuum and its value is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 farads per meter, and epsilon r is the relative permittivity of the surrounding medium in respect to the permittivity of air or vacuum. So hope this discussion helped in better understanding of Coulomb's law.